So this is barbed wire. Or in Maine they say barbed wire. Anyway. Nailed it. Yeah, I forget my kids aren't here to roll their eyes at me. I think that's what you would call it. We can see like there's 3 spots that hold on to something. Or maybe it's just a piece of junk, but it's still cool. At KVCCC, the farm. I think I added an extra C on that one, but whatever. First find of the day is a piece of metal. It's just good to get out. It is warm. Last year, it had snowed already. Not complaining, enjoying the weather. I'm in a t-shirt right now and I'm sweating in fall in Maine, so it's awesome. Anyway, so it's a nail. I'm gonna check the hole and see if there's anything else, but it's a nail. So I've kind of, I wouldn't say figured it out, figuring out works too, but a way to pinpoint with this behemoth, this beast. I figured out through multiple failures and trial and error that it doesn't pinpoint like a normal Garrett or normal size Garrett coil should. You gotta figure your own way out is what I figured, what I learned. So what I learned is, so you find the target. Doesn't want to work right now. Okay, there we go. I had a decent signal. So you have to pinpoint after you find it, and then step back or bring the coil back. And it kind of narrows the field down because it's a beast of a coil. So it narrows the field of where it could be to where it gives you a better idea. That is what I learned. This is probably going to be another nail. Who knows? I will find out. So what I found with my new pinpointing technique is a whole nest of pieces of metal. So it's like wiring, or I don't know what it was. It was a big mess though. I didn't even dig the whole thing up. I was like, anyway, so I found these. So that is not, I wouldn't say it's awesome, but it's good to know. So this is kind of cool. I found, so this is barbed wire. But on the old maps, I was trying to find out where the fence post was. Well, on the old maps they have the fence line, and I was trying to find out where it was here. I've been looking for it for a while. Finally found it, and it's right here, and it's securely in the ground, so I'm going to leave it there. But it gives me an idea of different locations and stuff like that. It's gorgeous, good times. Well, right now I just found some metal pieces. I remember why I tend to move away from this spot, because there's so much metal in this area. There was a house in that located over there, the big barn. So it's not a big surprise that there's metal here. Lots of metal over hundreds of years of people living here. So not complaining about it. I'm just finding it, and okay, I might be complaining about it a little bit. Oh, another piece of metal. Found that piece of metal, the last piece of metal right there. And then I found this right here. So, I don't know. It has a cool design on it. I'm not keeping it because I have so much metal at home. My wife's starting to take notice a bit. Couple more steps and same type of metal. Probably have some farm equipment, or it's got nails in it, or it has nails in it, so it's probably like some sign or a patch or something like that. I don't know, but same type of thing. And right here we have an solid piece of metal. Straight, solid, just rusty, solid piece of metal. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I am just chilling. It's good times, I guess. I don't know. We were over there. I was over there, and then walked this way. And next to this is one of my favorite trees. So that tree is one of my favorite trees on this property. I'm not saying a lot because it's a big property. It's kind of a cool area. There's a lot of newer metal over there. I'm not going over there into this area. So yeah, it's a cool spot. Oh, that's cool. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's like something actually cool, but it's it looks like a clasp to something, like a watch, or like the back, not a clasp, but like a bracket. I think that's what you would call it. We can see like there's 3 spots that hold on to something, or maybe it's just a piece of junk, but it's still cool. So the beast works. As you can see, it's loud. You need to get more propellers, or they might get shot down. Who knows? Those, yeah, don't get whistled propellers. I might have to do a couple updates. Recentered everything. I did put some work on it. As you can see, that because it's probably loud. It's I made a 3D, on the 3D printer, or on a 3D printer, I made a gimbal guard. And she's flying rough. Anyway, and it's allowed for a little bit more stability. And especially after, you can see the duct tape there. One of the legs broke, one of the landing gears broke. So, duct tape and some glue and then duct tape. I keep doing stuff like that. But it's not as bad as it was on the mission that I did, which is kind of horrible. Absolutely horrible. Still got the photos. Still made the money. But yeah, it's pretty bad.